Hello everyone. Black color, blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, yellow ochre color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Black color, A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. C. D. The next one is E. Now we draw F. Blue color, F. The next one is G. H. The next one is I. We again use blue color. Now we draw J. Red color. K. Now we draw L. The next one is M. Now we draw N. And the next one is O. Kids, now we draw P. Yellow color. Q for Queen. Now we draw Q. The next one is R. S. Now we draw T. And the next one is U. Kids, now we draw V. And the next one is W. Green color. Now we draw X. And the next one is Y. The last one is Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use green color. 1, 2, black color. Now we draw 3, 4, 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X. 6. Now we use black color. The next one is 7. And now we draw 8. The next one is 9. We again use black color. The last one is 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.